In this video we're doing an honest review of Codeberg Pages to see if it really stands up as a GitHub Pages alternative for hosting static sites and project pages. Codeberg Pages is part of the Codeberg ecosystem, which is built on open source and privacy-focused principles, giving you a Git-based workflow similar to GitHub but with an emphasis on transparency and no ads or tracking. You can host static content directly from a repository, use custom domains, and leverage Markdown or static site generators just like you would on GitHub Pages, which makes the transition relatively smooth for many developers. One of the biggest pros is that Codeberg is a non-profit, community-driven platform that doesn't tie you into corporate terms or data mining, so if those values matter to you, it's a meaningful difference. However, because it's run by a smaller team and non-profit infrastructure, you might notice fewer integrations and add-ons compared with the broader ecosystem around GitHub, and some advanced workflows or automation hooks available on GitHub Actions may not be fully mirrored yet. Performance and uptime are generally solid for hobby and portfolio sites, but if you rely on enterprise-grade SLAs or very high-traffic GitHub Pages and its CDN backing might still edge ahead. Overall, Codeberg Pages is a credible, privacy-centric option for many users, especially those who want to keep things open and simple without sacrificing core static hosting features. If you want straightforward, honest tech reviews and comparisons that help you choose the right tools, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful breakdowns and recommendations you can count on. Don't forget to subscribe for honest reviews and smart tech insights every time.